So without any further delay, I'd like to invite Dan to join me on the stage. So please welcome Dan. Thank you very much, Dan. Good luck.
Well, first off, I really want to thank TechBlake for giving us the opportunity. They're a wonderful collaborator. This is a great venue, and they allowed us to design an event that collectively brings together all of the community. So I really want to say thank you to TechBlake, and I really am very impressed with the event, and I hope that everybody enjoys the next 2 days of collaborating as well as partnering. I'm going to try to walk you through. Yesterday, we were discussing there are certain terms that were being used in the audience from the event that we hosted yesterday, but they're very relevant to this group, and so I hope to build on those terms here, as well as give you some insight in terms of exactly where hybrid electronics is going. What I say today is this is the world by me. It's not necessarily what the Air Force Research Lab views in terms of hybrid electronics and NextFlex. This is something that you need to appreciate that this is Dan. This is my thoughts, but as well as including many of the members on my team that help prepare the vision and how do we do both tactical as well as strategic activities. I like starting out with slides like this. I was in an event 20 years ago, and I met Captain Kirk, William Shatner, at Star Trek. And William Shatner at that time was kind of reflecting on some of the devices that he was using for some of the movies and shows. And he mentioned that the phone, the recorder, was something that actually came to the writers of Star Trek, and it was based from USC. So the writers of the show Star Trek would go to USC, and they would listen to professors about what the future is in terms of electronics or just the way we live, and that would become the substance of the different shows. Well, I'm always looking at something in the future. Star Trek actually, was in the 60s and 70s. Now we're looking at something like this, Minority Report. And so I went to revisit Minority Report, and it was kind of interesting because if you look, many of the devices that were shown in the movie with Tom Cruise, we use today in our daily lives. And then if you look at those devices, many of those devices rely on hybrid electronics. Oh, and by the way, it's not being done onesies or twosies. They're being built in mass, volume, significant volume, design engineers, manufacturing engineers, and production engineers, all of them working together. And so hopefully by the end of today's talk, you'll understand what are some of the thoughts and requirements that go into that. Demand signals are very important. So I lifted this slide. This is from an EMS, electronic manufacturing services provider, always trying to navigate, understand exactly where technology is going so they can make the investments in capabilities. They need to know what is the capacity. They need to understand what their customers are going to do. And so they usually use different means, different content, different data services, all of which are coming together to formalize a very succinct and distinct path forward in terms of capabilities. These capabilities, obviously, then fund production and design of products. And so here's an example of some of the products that the hybrid electronics community is looking at. We're looking at industrials and communication, automotive and aerospace, and then healthcare and wearables. Very specific products, but these products are only launched with the success of the capabilities, supply chain, value chain, and everything else required for success to go from the lab to the fab. And so it's only when you have all of these wonderful pieces working in harmony do you succeed. Now, yesterday there was a discussion around SWaPC, and I put this slide in because SWaPC is not simply a term used by one vertical or one customer. SWaPC now is really an international, conventional term used by designers as well as the manufacturing. Here we have examples of defense swapsy. We have examples